Okay. When you click on the table, the pivot field table list comes. Pivot table fields list. Now, if I come here and switch this off, then it will not come even when I click on the table. Okay.
Sir, sometimes it disappears. People chart the right hand side.
Yes.
So
it will disappear if I have this field list on. So if I click outside the pivot table, it will disappear.
Yeah.
When I click on the pivot table, this list of fields will come. Now, these are the recommended pivot table styles, colors you can choose based on how you want to do it, and system can automatically give you a format for that. Like the graph, we had the recommended tables like that. So you have another one here. This is state-wise. This is retailer and city. Got it? See, my graphs are changing accordingly. I have multiple options here, depending on how I want to do it. System can automatically generate my table for me. And if I want the retailer on top of it, I can just drag it and drop it here. So I get the retailer and the beverage brand. Okay. Then coming to this side, if I want to change the source data, this is change data source. My entire data is highlighted here. And refresh, filter connections. Okay. So filter connections is which all filters. See, there are this table is connected to these three filters: region, beverage, and the retailer. If I don't want it to change, then I can untick one of them. What will happen if I click on this or this? Nothing will happen to my main table because that's gone now. So where do we get it from? Filter connections. Got it? Insert slicer we have used. Timeline is for date related data. Okay, I'll show that to you in a few minutes, date related data. And these are grouping, these are drill up, drill down and all that stuff. Like here you have drill down and drill up, depending on how your values are being defined. These are the individual field settings that we saw already. And these are your pivot table options. What are pivot table options? Well, what kind of layout and format you want? Do you want the totals and filters? What do you want to display? Do you want to show the expand collapse buttons, which we have already done it over here, right? Plus minus buttons. Similarly, these things can be controlled from here also. Got it?
So what was that option that where did you calculate the percentage and the amount of
this was here
individually?
You can go to this field setting, field settings also and show value as, and from here you can say percentage.
Field setting.
All right. Now let me show you the use of this timeline. Now we have an invoice date here. Suppose I want to put the invoice date here. So it will show me date wise in the month of January, months, and invoice date is 2nd Jan, what was sold, or 3rd Jan, what was sold. And date wise, it is showing me day wise, what is my total summary by retailer, by brand. All right. Now, suppose I want to get, I don't want day wise total. Okay. Or I want a kind of a filter. Then I can put a insert timeline based on invoice date. So here I will get my timeline, which is this one. Let me put it away. Okay. So I have my dates here starting from 2021 January till December. If I want to generate a small range here, let's say from here, only I want between March or something starting from April. So rest of the data will disappear. Just like your filter, but it is showing you based on the date. So it is ignoring January, February, March. And if I just want one quarter, April, May, June, then I can drag April, May, June and put it over here. So I only have the data for one quarter here. Got it? See, April, May, June. That's it. I don't have any other data here. Now, because I'm showing you day-wise all the data, it is looking like a long table. Suppose I don't show the invoice data, and instead I just want one quarter. See, it is showing me month-wise. April total, May total, June total. The date need not be displayed. But even then, if the date is not displayed, I can do a filter. Got it?
Yes, sir.
Sephora?
Yes,
Is it too heavy?
yeah, a little bit.
Okay, so let's start from the beginning. You have a small table that we did last class. You remember that salesperson, region.
Yeah.
Do you have it open?
No, sir, I don't have it open right now.
Okay. Do you want to do it now or do you want to do it later?
I'll check it later, sir. I'll check the video also later to just understand more.
Okay. Did you check the videos from the last class?
No, I haven't yet.
Okay.
Actually, I was gonna ask you what is the name on your YouTube channel? I forgot.
What is the?
Your account name on YouTube?
I'm giving you the links na, in the group chat.
Yeah, yeah.
So if you click on the link, it will go directly to those videos only.
Yeah, can you tell me what is it this? How to create dynamic chart? This is
This is one
one of your
particular
videos?
video. Just over that, or up above that, there is one for playlist.
Okay, okay, I got it.
You click on it,
It's
you will
called
get the
Learn
videos.
Excel 22, right?
Yeah.
But how do I subscribe? It's not taking me to subscribe.
Yeah. If you just go to the bottom, there is a subscribe button.
No, it doesn't show me. Just shows 3 videos
Okay.
and
Click on one
it doesn't.
video.
Just 1 minute.
This meeting is being.
So it's basically Palium skills, right?
Yes, yes.
Okay, got it.
Is the subscribe there? So today when I upload the video, you will get to see the, you will get a message saying that the recording has been uploaded.
Sure, sir. Thank you.
Were you able to subscribe?
Yes, sir. I've already
Oh.
subscribed.
Okay. Thank you. Do you want me to cover anything else today, or we are good with this?
I think so. This is good. This is quite a lot itself.
And pivot table is something which is very important. So I will definitely recommend, both of you, please try this out on your own.
Sure, definitely.
Okay, then we'll stop here today in that case. Sandeep, any questions from your side?
Sir, I think it's fine. I'll need to practice this. Unless I practice, it will be very difficult to answer.
Yes.